What happens when reggae's heartbeat is threatened by money, dilution, and Babylon's tricks? One man has been standing tall, flames in his voice and fire in his soul. Lutan Fyah. This is One Drop Facts. And today, we dive into the fight for reggae itself, through the life of a warrior who turned his wounds into wisdom. Born Anthony Martin in Spanish Town, Lutan Fyah's education wasn't in classrooms. It came in the yard, where his grandfather's sound system blasted Dennis Brown and Garnet Silk. From a youth, he soaked up the energy of singers and chanters, sharpening their craft in his own backyard. His first dream was football, but destiny pulled him to Kingston Studios, where he voiced tracks with a hunger that couldn't be ignored. By 1999, he passed Buju Banton's Gargamel audition, a moment that carved his place in reggae's militant lineage. But reggae isn't just melodies, it's a battlefield. Spanish Town was heavy with crime, and the industry was even heavier with exploitation. Lutan saw Babylon twist reggae into watered-down hits, while Jamaica's real talent got left behind. He faced a paradox: sing for the radio or sing for the people? His answer? Do both. Carry Rastafari's message into the mainstream without ever losing the roots. His compass came from Vaughn Benjamin of Midnite and Akae Beka, a philosopher who built music on word, sound, and power. Benjamin rejected Babylon's charts for message music, his lyrics dense with Rastafari, history, and prophecy. Lutan Fyah took that lesson forward. He created tracks like African Children and Drain the Swamp, pushing beyond Spanish Town to speak for the world. His album Strength and Resilience became a manifesto, chanting the command to push on, but the struggle runs deeper. Reggae is a billion-dollar industry worldwide, yet Jamaica sees little of that wealth. Brain drain pulls artists abroad, piracy cuts into their bread, and most business is handled offshore. Lutan calls it plain. He had to create my own world because the system wasn't built for him. And yet, he still believes in raw, acoustic roots. Music that can't be faked by digital knockoffs. From versioning to dub, Jamaica has always turned oppression into innovation. That's the spirit that carried reggae global. And Lutan Fyah proves the flame still burns, a messenger refusing to bow, even when Babylon stacks the deck. So here's the question: can reggae stay true to its roots while surviving Babylon's system? Or will it take more Fyah to keep the flame alive? Drop your thoughts below. One drop, one love. Stay groovy.